how to export your ChatGPT over to Claude. So in this video, I'll show you how to transfer all of your data from ChatGPT over to the Claude app. Now it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. The first step is you need to open up the Claude website and make sure you're signed into your Claude account. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left-hand side and then press Settings. Click on Capabilities from the left-hand side. And here you'll see this section that says import memory from other AI providers. Now this will allow us to import our ChatGPT memories over into Claude. So if you press the Start Import button, you'll see this chat prompt, go and press Copy. You can then head over to ChatGPT. Now make sure you're signed into your ChatGPT account. Click on your profile icon in the bottom left-hand side and then select Personalization. Scroll down to Memories. And make sure reference saved memories is turned on. Make sure reference chat history is also switched on, and then go and close out of this window. You'll then need to open up a new chat like this and go and paste in the prompt that we just copied and press enter. Now wait a few seconds while it compiles all of your ChatGPT memories. Once it's finished with the instructions, you can press this copy button and head back over to Claude. You'll then need to go and paste all of the results in like this and select Add to Memory. Now wait a few seconds while it goes and adds these memories into the Claude app. Now once it's finished, you'll be able to find all of your saved memories. You can then go and close out of this window. And if you also want to import your chat history into Claude as well, then you can do this with a simple extension. So if you click on the three vertical dots and press Extensions, you can then select Visit Chrome Web Store. Go and click on the search box and go and type in Migrate My AI Chat and click on this extension here. Now select Add to Chrome and press Add Extension. So once you've done this, you can head back over to ChatGPT and go and open up the chat that you want to copy. You'll then need to refresh the page like so and click on the extension toolbar and select Migrate My Chat. It will then say Continue on, click on Claude, and it should now go and export this chat over to the Claude app. So you can press Send, and once this chat has been exported, you can then go and continue on with the conversation in Claude. So you can essentially do the same thing with all of your ChatGPT conversations, and that's how to migrate your ChatGPT over to Claude.